One of the ways that we stand out from other international schools in Thailand is the educators that we bring into this community. We invest in incredible teachers who come from all around the world, and we spend a lot of time and energy into professional development, ensuring growth for all our teachers. Because we know that the number one factor that influences student success in the classroom is the teacher. Most importantly, as a smaller community, our teachers really go above and beyond to show care for all of the students in our school. From sitting down with them at the lunch table and having conversations, building true relationships means that every student in our school feels seen, feels heard, and feels that they belong. And it's thanks to the warmth of our teachers.
I think the reason that my son really likes coming to school is because number one, all the teachers here are very attentive to all the kids. Like they really take care of all the children and their best efforts to get to know our children. I think all the kids here are very happy and very kind, full of empathy. So I think these two reasons are why my sons are very happy to come to school every day.
I think what makes MYIS a very unique school is that we believe in the capacity of the child. From the early years to the primary years to the middle school, all we do is really make sure that students feel empowered to walk through their journey and stay curious, ask questions and become who they are. It really is not about what you achieve, but it's what you become. And that is the message we give to all our students. Our students are creative, they're passionate, they're innovative, they're thinkers.
At MYIS, the arts are generally embraced as an essential part of student growth. I've noticed that students are naturally inclined to create here, and they love to explore, and they're very open-minded. And what's special is how the community really respects this creative process.
I think it's just the mix of students. There's people from many different countries, and they bring to you different perspectives, different opinions, different ideas, and you can learn more about them, yourself, and how the world works just from listening and talking to them.